Hello, welcome to the tutorial about managing your subscriptions. First, let's go into the type of users. There are three types of users: the demo user, the base plan user, and the full plan user. Once you have registered into Cashflow app, by default, you will have a demo user. That means that you will be able to create a project and test how Cashflow app works for a 15-day trial period. Be aware that demo users have some restrictions. They cannot use advanced input features, the reports are limited, and exporting of results is also limited. To be able to use the full extent of Cashflow app, you will have to buy a base plan subscription or a full plan subscription. That happens on the plans page. So let's click on it. In the plans page, you have the following information: the current subscription of the plan that you are using, its deadline, the next plan subscription, when the next plan subscription starts, and when the next plan subscription ends. Below, you have the subscriptions that you can buy and the details of each: a base plan, the full plan, and the full and custom plan. The difference between the full and custom plan is that with the first you can only use one project, whereas with the later you can have more than a project. You can opt by a monthly payment subscription or a yearly payment subscription. If you choose a plan, you will be directed to the billing area, where the following information will be presented to you: the plan that you are about to purchase, the amount to be billed, and the end of the subscription. Then you can enter your billing information and, after accepting the terms and conditions, proceed to the checkout, where you can pay with either credit card or PayPal. And that is all in this tutorial. Thank you for watching.